Hey you guys, welcome back to my channel. So I just walked inside of Dollar Tree and the first thing I see are these. I have never seen these before and they are cute. So it's a wire frame that's shaped like a pumpkin and it comes out. This is actually two I'm holding, but yeah, see how it comes out like that? But it's a pumpkin, so you can decorate these with mesh or whatever you want. Those are super cute. It says pumpkin wreath form. That's my first time ever seeing those. So we are here and I'm just gonna walk around and see what we can find for today. I think most of this we've already looked at. They restocked some more of these velvet pumpkins. I may pick up like a couple more of the blue and maybe this color. I see these stems of cotton. They look like this. For any of you that like to decorate with these, that's actually a good find. You guys, look at these. They got in the bins where they keep the pillows, they got shirts that have glitter and leopard print. And they are Hanes. That's kind of cool. There's a lot of shirts in here. This one is like that baseball style with the buttons. You got the plain like V-neck and different ones. Let's see, there's another one with the leopard on it. What size is that? That's a large. They have this display like I'm in Ross or Burlington or somewhere with all kind of different shirts on it. So not only the ones in the front with the glitter on them that I showed you guys, they even have these. These are some nice shirts by Anvil. So they got all these tanks. You even have regular shirts by Just My Size, so JMS, Gildan, and that's all I see. Over here in the back to school section, I do see some new washi tape. It's the deco tape that comes with 5 of them in there. So this one is new. I don't remember ever seeing that one. And then look at this one. It says, where is it at? It's blurry. It says Glam Life. Look at that. And then the one over it has hearts and a little eye and a diamond. And then you got the cheetah print and the X's and O's. That one is really cute. Let me see. You got this green and blue set. And let's see if there's any more. No, it looks like that might be it. Just those 3. But this one is cute. Oh look, they brought back these Airheads. I don't remember if it was Airheads, but it was some kind of a bath bomb like this. These are blue raspberry. They have watermelon and strawberry. Oh, and then on this end cap they have these containers that are kind of like this right here, but they're in blue and they come with the lid. They have this pretty color, this one, that pink and gray. Okay, so I've spotted some new little socks, and these are women's. They have the monster faces on it. You get 2 pair, so you get a solid one and one with a face. You have the skulls with the stripes. They've been having those back there, but these are just different right here. Look at this one. I like that one. And the back one is blue and purple. And this one is cute right here. Look at that. I like that one. Pink and green. And yeah, so these, they look like they've restocked those. And then they also have this heart. Okay, over here I see some new kitchen stuff. This is the oven mitt. I like how it's checkered. This towel is really nice. I like that. And it says blessed on both sides. They got the pot holders. And then they got this pretty clear black like that. And I'm standing here thinking about it. And I'm like, these would be really nice for a table setting for like Halloween. They do have the placemats in black to match it, and everything else that goes with it. Let me see, can I get one of those? Just the plates. and the bowls. They also have these. I like how the bottom is like darker. Here's some more of the, oh, see, I didn't even see that one the last time. Here's those little erasers I showed you guys in my last haul video that come like this, the 15-cent ones with the pineapple. They have the strawberry and the watermelon, and I did not see the little bananas. Look at those. Those are cute with the little glasses on, and they probably smell good. I gave the other ones to my daughter, but yeah, these are up by the register. And they also have some cute little plaques, these little signs. They got a lot of glitter on them, and the little stars are like stickers, or yeah, they kind of stick off. It just says wall decor, and that's the only word I see is dream. Look at this little wood sign. Little witch stirring her pot. Here's some more of their wood stickers. I like these with the hats. The orange ones have glitter on them. More felt stickers. Pumpkins and the black cats. And you get 16 in some, 20 in the others. Oh, this is cute, a piñata craft kit. So you can make a little piñata, a pumpkin, or a cat. Okay, right here you got that laundry guide little plaque. And I actually picked one up. I forgot to show you guys in my last video, but it was the one that looks like a mason jar, and it's the kitchen measurements that you guys probably already seen, but I thought this was cute too. Okay, so these makeup remover cleansing wipes are compared to Neutrogena. These have been in Dollar Tree. It says effectively and gently removes makeup, even waterproof mascara. I actually do like those. These are the Sassy and Chic brand, but I also see these today, and I've never seen these. It says compared to Simple. So these are compared to Neutrogena. These say compared to Simple, and they're sensitive skin cleansing towelettes. No parabens, harsh chemicals, alcohols, or dyes with vitamin E. Okay. Oh, they brought back the roasted seaweed. I think I tried this with my daughter, and I just can't do it. I cannot do this, you guys. It's vegan, gluten-free, ocean snack. If you like these, then that's a good deal, I'm sure. But I just can't do those. Flatbread crisp. Over here I see these key covers. I think I saw these in the past, but I didn't find them in the store. There's the mermaid. Let's see what else there. Oh, look at him. A narwhal. Is that it? Of course, a llama. And I think that might be it. But those are really cute. Here's some little back scratchers, extendable back scratcher, and they got all these different colors. I do remember the cappuccino and the latte cups, but this one says great ideas, and it kind of sucks because the paint is kind of off in certain areas, but it says great ideas start with great coffee. I like that. And what was the other one? This one, the best time to drink coffee is now. I love coffee. And that's just your basic clipboard. And they also have these two designs as well. Okay, so I'm over here checking out the wall stickers, and the only two that I think that I see is this one right here. She is so cute. You got a narwhal, you got the cat, you got her, and then there's even more on the back. Look at her. The cute little turtle, and oh my gosh, she's pretty. Look at him, he even has like an afro. That's cute. And then I also see this one right here, which I think is new. I don't know what that is. It's like some flowers. Oh, with some crystals, so it would look like that. That's kind of different. It's flowers with the crystals coming up at the top. But I like this one the most. Oh, this is my first time ever seeing the original super glue wood glue. Oh, this is good if you're doing some projects. I usually see this kind right here, but never that one. Over here they got this giant bag. Well, it's not giant, but it's a limited edition mix, 35 pieces of Warheads extreme sour. I used to like eating these. It's sour bubblegum pops, colossal sours, but I don't think I can deal with it now. But it looks like they got different ones. So you got those with the sour Warheads, Pucker Party Pack. You got this one with suckers in it and different little candies. Yeah, I used to like that, but I don't think I can do it anymore. Okay, you guys, that is going to be it for Dollar Tree. I'm just walking through the food section to see if I see anything. So far, I don't. They got the pumpkin spice bar mix and cookie mix as well. Oh, they got some peanut butter, chocolate chip, fudge brownie. I have some Betty Crocker bunny tail shortbread cookie mix. How fun is that? And it's limited edition, and I also see lemon cookie mix. That's my favorite kind of cookie, lemon. But I don't need those. But okay, I will talk to you guys soon in my next video. Okay, bye.